With window treats, getting new custom window treatments is easy. Start by requesting your free consultation and scheduling an appointment with one of our design consultants. We begin by taking the time to really understand your home and your style, because that's what our service is all about, you. We will explore all of the options, from drapery, shades and blinds, to motorization. We want you to feel confident in any decision that you make. Your consultant will take precise measurements to provide a quote. After purchasing your window treatments, they will be created meticulously to your home specifications. Finally, our team of professionals will deliver and install your beautiful new treatments. And if you have motorized treatments, they will show you how to control them with a remote or through the app. Window Treats is the leader in customized window treatments. We're so proud to serve our community and to provide excellent service to every client. Give us a call today to learn more.